Welcome to my channel, Canine Crooner Fan Austin. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys, or good evening. Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Fan Austin there, and we're gonna take a look at some more PBC International items. Let's take a look at RV the Traveling Turtle. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like a turtle with all kinds of these countries on the back of his shell. He's really cute. RV the Traveling Turtle is made by PBC International. He wears a safari hat and he has the badges on the back of his shell. He sways his head and arms back and forth as he taps his right foot and sings, "I've been everywhere." Rocco. Let's see what Rocco is. Ooh, Rocco's a ghost. Rocco is a Halloween singing ghost made by PBC International. He has purple hair and a purple bow tie and wears pink glasses and has a green mouth. He is sound activated. When activated, Rocco moves his mouth as he sings "We Will Hunt You," a Halloween parody of the song "We Will Rock You." Hold on, my mom is coming in my room. Sorry guys, my mom just came in my room and gave me my vitamins. Okay. Rollerskating Elephant. Let's see what he looks like. Yep, it's an elephant. The Rollerskating Elephant is made by PBC International. He wears classic four-wheeled roller skates and has a yellow bow with polka dots on it. He moves his feet in a walking motion to look like he is actually roller skating to the song. Brand new key. Recorderosaurus. And there's all kinds of Recorderosaurus. There's a T-Rex, a Triceratops, and a Apatosaurus, and a Velociraptor. The Recorderosaurus is a series of animated talking dinosaurs made by PBC International and Chantilly Lane. Each one tells 5 fun facts about dinosaurs as they walk and or move their bodies, tails, and mouths, and has a ability to let you record a message for up to 30 seconds, where the dinosaur will play the message in a dino-like voice. Recorder Voice Christmas Bear. The Recorder Voice Christmas Bear is made by PBC International in Chantilly Lane. The bear wears a Santa Claus hat and a red plaid bow. He holds a small gift pouch to put a gift card into. Press the bear's foot to record a message for 30 seconds. Press the bear's right hand to hear your record message. Press the bear's left hand to hear it sing "We Wish You Merry Christmas." The bear's head sways and mouth moves while it sings or speaks your recorded message. He's really cute. Rocco Grad Bear. And he looks like this. The Rocco Grad Bear is made by PBC International in Chantilly Lane. He wears a black leather jacket with a gray shirt with a star that reads "Rock On" it, and matching pants with black stripes on it, and a graduation cap. He dances slowly to Pomp and the Christmas for 5 seconds. then the record scratches, and he dances faster to rock and roll all night. Ricky Racer. What is that? Oh, it's a singing bear. Ricky Racer is made by PBC International. He is a light brown bear that wears a blue and white racer suit with a black badge that reads Chantilly Racing Team on it. He swings and sways as he sings Born to be Wild. Pokey Penguin. What is that? Oh, it looks like this. It's a singing penguin. Pokey Penguin is made by PBC International. He wears a red and white flower designed Hawaiian shirt in Santa Claus. He flaps his wings and dances side to side while singing Malaka Miki Maka. Police Officer Bear. And it's a singing bear. The Police Officer Bear is made by PBC International. He wears a black shirt and pants with signature hat and badges. He swings and sways to the song Bad Boys, the theme song from the hit TV show Cops. Senior Moments Bear Gals. And he looks like these bears with colorful shirts. The Senior Moment Bears are made by PBC International. Each one wears a colorful hat and with matching shades and shirts that says a statement of old age. Head sways and mouth moves while singing When I'm 64. Jeremiah the Frog. Yep, and it's a singing frog. Jeremiah the Frog is made by PBC International. He wears a white collar with a black bow tie on it, with little white dots, and a golden star badge on his belly reads Dreams Really to Come True. He moves his head, arms, mouth, and eyes, and his star badge lights up as he sings When You Wish Upon a Star. Jethro Santa Moose. And he looks like this moose. It's a Santa Claus moose. Yep, it's a Santa Claus moose. Jethro Santa Moose is made by PBC International. He wears a Santa Claus costume and has little golden bells on his antlers. He wiggles his antlers, head sways, and mouth moves while he sings Jingle Bell Rock. He's really cute. Yep, he's really cute. Jingles the Reindeer. Jingle the Reindeer is made by PBC International in Chantilly Lane. He wears a red leash with bells on it, snow boots with ribbons on them, and an ornament hanging on his left ear. He wiggles his body, walks, and moves his mouth while he sings Jingle Bells. Jingle Jangle Bangle. And it's a singing orange tiger. The Jingle Jangle Bangle is made by PBC International. He wears a Santa Claus hat and a red jacket and plaid bow tie. He wiggles his body and does a sidestepping dance as he sings rockabilly version of Jingle Bells. Jolly Holiday Bear. And he looks like this. The Jolly Holiday Bear is made by PBC International. He's a brown teddy bear wearing a red Santa Claus and bow. He sways his head and moves his mouth and his hat flips back and forth. He sings "Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree." Naughty Santa. Oh, he looks like this. The Naughty Santa is made by PBC International. It looks very alike to Pull My Finger Santa by Techie Toys. Santa shakes, vibrates as he farts, and says funny Christmas wise cracks. That one's really funny. Nick and Noel do it. And he looks, yep, and it has a cat and a mouse. The Nick and Noel Do It is made by PBC International. Nick is a cat and Noel is a mouse. Nick wears a plaid pajama nightgown and cap, and Noel wear little fleece pajamas and a small Santa hat. Together, Nick sways his head and moves his mouth. Noel just moves his mouth as they take turns reading the story "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." Lazy Day Bear. Ooh, that one's really cute. That bear has a cell phone and he's sitting on the love seat or a couch. The Lazy Day Bear is an animated singing plush bear made by PBC International in Chantilly Lane in 2015. Present, he wears a blue shirt that reads "My Lazy Shirt" on it, with matching color shorts. He sits in a silky blue comfortable and holds a TV remote, and in his hand he moves his mouth and foot while the TV remote lights up as he sings the Bruno Mars hit "The Lazy Song." Olivia Bear. Yep, and it's a singing bear. Olivia is a singing bear made by PBC International in 2005. He wears a pink satin jacket, poodle skirt, and shirt. She is accessorized with a pink bow and scarf. Her head sways and moves his mouth as she sings "You're the One That I Want." Noah Bears. Oh, there's all kinds of. Oh, there's too many. There's Handmade by Good Boy, Handmade by Good Girl, Prayer, Feel Better, Friend, Mom, Dad, Graduation, and Birthday, and Hope, and You Matter. The Noah Bears is a series of talking plush grizzly bears made by PBC International. Each one wears a shirt with an inspirational saying on it. These bears are named after Noah ben Shia, one of the greatest philosophers to ever live in North America. They each have a signature heart with Noah's name on the left foot. Each one moves his mouth either rapidly or in sync of the voice of Noah's